Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and a pleasant day to each and every one of us. Most importantly, to our dearest instructor, Sir Rasul Torres, and to my dearest viewers, my classmates, a pleasant day to each and every one of us. So in this video, is that we're going to talk about a topic which is a table tennis and its different styles. And of course, well, different styles that we're going to talk about what the strengths of that and of course what is the weakness of that. And aside from that is that we're going to talk about the topic in addition with those strengths and weaknesses is that about the glossary of this table tennis. So keep on watching. But first and foremost, we're now going to define what is table tennis. Ano nga ba ang table tennis? Table tennis, also known as the ping pong, the orange one, if you're familiar with that, is a sport where 2 or 4 players, my singles and my double, hit a lightweight ball. Yung color ng ball na yun is that color orange, back and forth across the table. So from its title, table tennis. If ever na you're familiar with the badminton, ang badminton naman is that sa court, ang table tennis naman is that ginagawa siya sa table na yun. And ginagamitan siya ng paddles ang tawag doon. So the game takes place on a rectangular table divided by a net. If ever sa badminton is that meron ding net with a court, and in this table tennis naman din is that meron ding net para ma-divide yung dalawang grupo. So the objective is to score 2 points by hitting the ball to such a way that the opponent is that para hindi mahulog yung bola na yun. So ganun mismo ang table tennis na yun. So if ever it is unable to return the ball into the opponent or yun na mahulog siya is that score na yun ng kalaban. So table tennis is a fast-paced game that requires a quick reflexes. So kailangan talaga ang both opponent is that they are flexible enough, the agility, and of course the strategic thinking. Kasi if ever wala sila noon, naglalak sila ng ganun is that pwede silang hindi manalo. So this table tennis is that dapat highly competitive yung mga players na yun with international tournaments. Kasi if I'm not mistaken, ang table tennis is that lahat from the tournaments, nagagamit din siya sa school natin, of course, international tournaments. So we're now proceeding to the main content of my presentation, wherein the style of the play of the table tennis, and of course, its strength and its weaknesses. So we have here the attacker, wherein the attacker always serves for a third ball, and the next one is that the strength also of the attacker is to ability to vary spin and speed, and the last one is that we have the frequent use top spin makes it hard for opponent to create an opening. In table tennis, the strength of an attacker is that typically lies in their ability to execute the most powerful, and of course in most aggressive shot to put the pressure on their opponents. So now we're proceeding to the weakness, because if ever we do have the strength, we also have the weaknesses. So in terms of this one, in terms of the attacker, what are those weaknesses of the attacker? So of course, first and foremost, the weakness of the attacker is that they are very physical demanding. And the next one is that takes more time to recover due to longer and heavier strokes. And the last one, weakness of this attacker is that it is very vulnerable to changes in pace to upset timing. So we all know that it is not in table tennis, in all sports is that we do also have this what we call strengths and weaknesses. The next one is that we have the blocker, and I'm going to dictate what are those strengths and weaknesses of this blocker. For the strength of the blocker, first one we have that very quick reaction time. The next one is that the strength of the blocker is that takes ball early, and the last one is that uses opponent's speeds and top spin. The next one we have the weaknesses of the blocker, wherein the first thing is that vulnerable to changes in space and spin. So the next one, often finds severe backspin, side spin difficult. So that would be all in terms of the strength and weaknesses of the blocker. And the last one, style of the play of the table tennis, is that we have the what we call defensive style, wherein the strength of this is defensive style is that first and foremost, patient and consistent. The next one, ability to vary the spin. And the last one is that may use a paddle with different rubber on each side to produce different effects on the ball. And for the weaknesses of this defensive style is that can't be moved about a great deal in and out and side to side. And the last one may not be able to attack short balls. So that would be all in terms of style of play from the attacker to blocker. And of course, the last one we have the defensive style. And now we're proceeding to the table tennis glossary. So now we're proceeding to this table tennis glossary, and I'm just going to read it because it is very self-explanatory to each and every one of us. So the rest of this table glossary is the continuation of this is where you can find it at the in Miss Arancho's presentation. So we have three here, three table tennis glossary. So first we have the ace, wherein the ace means to serve the receiver is not able to reach. The next one, an anti-loop or anti-spin, wherein a smooth rubber with very low surface friction used to defend against shot with excessive spin. And this rubber deactivates spin and speed, returning a dead ball. And the third one is that we have this backhand, wherein a shot executed where the back of your racket hand is pointing towards the opponent, or a shot that is executed at the non-racket side of the player. So that would be the end of my video presentation. I hope you learned something new today. I hope you gained some knowledge about my video presentation, and I hope you enjoy watching my video presentations. So that would be all. Thank you so much for your attentively listening, and for, of course, for your patience and time in terms of watching of this video. So that would be all. Bye-bye!